That didn't go very well.
That smells like plastic, dude.
It does.
I thought it smelled like a barbecue.
My God, I didn't even notice.
That's good. That's good that he caught up to you, because I started like, when you revved it, that's when I saw it first spew. And then when we went there, like, holy shit, I was going to tell you, but you already were on it.
Yeah, that stoplight, that was the first time. She revved it, and all of a sudden, woof! I was like,
And it
oh.
sounded funny too,
Did it
right?
go fast?
Yeah, I bet he fucking left the plastic in there.
Something, that's what it looks like.
Yeah,
You're
but
right,
it's
it does
still
smell
smoking.
like plastic.
I bet you he left the fucking wrapper in there.
Yeah, I don't know.
Did we go back?